My coffee! If you're watching this video, you probably just clumsily spilled your coffee like I just did. Here's a quick list of the things you'll need to help clean it up. White towels, warm and cold water, lemon juice, dish soap, and a clean sponge. Alright, let's get to it. First, you want to dab out as much of the coffee as you can with the towels. And be sure to dab versus scrubbing, since scrubbing can cause the stain to spread. And be sure to use the clean-sided towel each time you dab. Now, grab a cup of cold water and pour it directly onto the stain. Continue to dab with a new towel and repeat until the stain won't come out. Next, take 2 cups of warm water and mix in a 1/4 cup of lemon juice and a splash of dish soap. Take your sponge and dip it in there and squeeze it until the sponge is just damp. Starting from the outside and working your way in, rub the stain in a circular motion. Then, rinse with cold water. With a dry towel, remove the leftover mixture by putting the towel directly on the area and firmly pressing down to remove any of the leftover liquids. If the stain still shows up, repeat the process, otherwise, you're done. And you thought you'd have to live with that stain. Now, to make another pot of coffee. How much coffee did you end up spilling? Comment down below. I think that's the last time I'm gonna ever put my coffee on the floor. If you have any questions or suggestions for other stains, leave them in the comments below and we'll get them answered for you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe so that you can be updated whenever we have new tips for your apartment living. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.